Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Pancakeswap using Trust Wallet via Binance Smart Chain. So, Pancakeswap is actually a decentralized exchange that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies and other tokens without a centralized intermediate. So, being that there's no KYC, you don't need to sign up, you don't need to provide address, you don't even need to create an account as long as you have a wallet. The wallet can be MetaMask, it can be a Trust Wallet, which is what I'm using right now. So let's get right to it. After you register, there will be this 12 word code which is provided from the Trust Wallet itself. Just make sure that you write down all the passwords, everything onto a paper, not digitally, but onto a paper, and keep it safely. As if you lost your phone, the 12-word password is gonna be your key to retrieve all your tokens in this wallet. So after you registered, just open up the app, and this is what you will see in the app. What I'm going to use to transfer is using Binance. You can use platforms such as KuCoin or even Huobi, but I'm using Binance for the sake of this video. Go to wallet, the bottom right corner, and go to spot. So right over here, as you can see, I don't really have BNB right now, but I am going to buy some BNB with the USDT that is available. So what I do is that I go to market, I go to BNB, and I buy BNB using the USDT. I will be buying everything, and the reason why I don't want to send my USDT over to Trust Wallet rather than using BNB to transfer to Trust Wallet is because the cost for transfer USDT is via TRC20. It's around one US dollar, as you can see right over here. You can see TRC, it's 1 USDT. Over here it says that the transfer for BNB is around 0.0005 BNB, and that is approximately around 8 cents, I think. If I'm not mistaken, it's probably around 8 cents. So this is actually way cheaper, so that's why I'm using BNB to transfer over to Pancakeswap. So what I do is that I have to buy some BNB first. So I go to BNB again, I buy. I would put all my USDT to buy any of the BNB that I can. So over here you see that I can buy approximately 1.5 BNB. So I hit buy. Okay, I have bought some BNB. As you can see over here in the sell section, it says that I have 1.5 BNB approximately. Over here also says that I have 1.5 BNB. So what I do is that I transfer this BNB over here, the BNB over to Trust Wallet right over here. Okay, so remember that I have 0.28 BNB in my Trust Wallet right now. So I would, at Trust Wallet itself, in order to transfer, you have to click on this BNB. Remember, it's Smart Chain. Click on it and click receive and copy. And do know that it says that send only Smart Chain BNB to this address. So what we are going to do is that we have to send BNB using the Smart Chain network. Go into BNB, withdraw, and paste the address that you actually copied from here. After you paste over here, you see that the network is detected to be BAP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain BSC, and the amount that I'm going to transfer is maximum, so we're going to transfer 1.5 around. And look over here, it says that the fee is still 0.0005 BNB. So this transaction fee is actually constant. So even though you have 10 BNB, even though you have 100 BNB, the transaction fee is still 0.0005 BNB, which is approximately 7 to 8 cents. So what I do is that I click withdraw, and I click confirm. Okay, so I have confirmed my verification and the request has been submitted. So you have to wait for a while for the BNB to be transferred to Trust Wallet. So let's just wait. Okay, so let's go to our Trust Wallet and check whether we receive any BNB. Okay, over here it says that our BNB has increased, so it's around 1.78 BNB right now. So it's good. So go to the bottom, the apps, and click Pancakeswap. So at the top, you can click Pancakeswap at the top if you want. But this is my history. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to look for Pancakeswap. So it's right over here. So click on pool section, and this is the syrup pool. So I would suggest you to stake your crypto tokens at the top, which is AutoCake. The difference between AutoCake and manual cake is the yield that you get actually goes back into the cake itself, the amount that you stake. So it's like a compound interest, whereas manual cake doesn't compound. So any cake that you get right, it will be delivered to a Trust Wallet instead of putting it back for staking. So over here for AutoCake, it says that the APY is around 95% per year. Over here it says stake, but for yours, if you just got it here like the first time, it will be enabled. So you will have to enable it, and there will be a small transaction fee. It's around 77 cents, probably even higher, who knows. So you enable it, you enable the smart contract. It will cost some money, but it's fine. So what I'm gonna do is that I have to stake some cake, but according to my Trust Wallet, I only have 4.78 cake, and our purpose is to convert, to put in as much cake as we have. So what I'm gonna do is that I have to trade BNB to cake. So I have to exchange the BNB to cake itself. So go back to Pancakeswap. I'm gonna click on history right now. Pancakeswap. I'm gonna trade my BNB to cake using the Pancakeswap app. So go to trade, go to exchange, wait for a while, wait for it to load, and okay, so we're gonna convert BNB to cake. Okay, over here. We have set 1.78 BNB, but we are not gonna transfer everything to cake. This is because when you execute a transaction or a smart contract, it requires a few fees, and the fee is deducted via BNB. So you have to have some leftover BNB for you to execute further smart contracts. So I'm gonna put 1.77. I'm gonna put 1.77 BNB and transfer it to cake. So when you click swap, it requires for you to pay a fee. So just make sure that you have some leftover BNB. Probably around 0.01 is enough. So click swap and confirm swap. So this is a smart contract. Over here it says that the network fee is around 27 cents. So what we're gonna do is that we click approve. Okay, over here it says that we have leftover of 0.016 BNB, which is enough. It's around $5, and our cake is around 38.4, which is around $700. so that's good. So we go back to Pancakeswap and click the arrow and click stake. Remember that over here it says stake, but for yours, when you first time coming in over here, it will be enabled. So you have to pay a small amount of fee to enable this pool to be open. So one is open, click stake, and I will put the maximum amount of cake I have. You can put 50 if you want, but for me I will put the max amount of cake that I have. So click confirm. Another smart contract pops up, and over here it says that the network fee is around 66 cents. So click approve. Okay, it says that we already stake it, and yeah, so we already staked 38.4 cake onto the syrup pool. If you want, you can check the APY over here. This is the ROI analysis, and you can check it out. So if we stake $1,000 of cake worth of cake into this pool, after 365 days, we will get a ROI of 95, which is around 51.79 cake. At the bottom, it says that cake is around $18 right now. So what we do is we're gonna do some math. 51.79 cake per year after 1 year times $18. So this is the amount that you get if you invest $1,000 worth of cake into the syrup pool, provided that you're actually using auto cake staking, and provided that if the price of the cake remains at $18, be sure to join my Telegram group, as I will put up a daily profit of my syrup pool daily at around 12 AM Singapore time every single day. So you guys can see the progress of the amount of profit that I get from my cake, and other updates regarding some cryptocurrency news. So make sure to join my Telegram group, which is in the video description. So that's it.